The Supreme Court's latest agenda includes a high-profile case on the Biden administration's crackdown on ghost guns, firearms assembled from kits that bypass traditional sales channels, thus lacking serial numbers and background checks. These do-it-yourself gun kits have become a focal point of legal and political battles, with the administration seeking to reclassify them as firearms to impose stricter controls. The controversy stems from Attorney General Merrick Garland's 2022 regulation, aiming to curb untraceable weapons increasingly tied to crimes, a move that was met with judicial roadblocks from lower courts, including the New Orleans-based Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. This development comes as ghost guns, or firearms made from online kits that can be assembled at home, evade traditional regulations due to their classification. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, ATF, had introduced measures in 2022 requiring these firearm kits to bear serial numbers and sellers to conduct background checks on buyers. This move triggered lawsuits from manufacturers, arguing the rules overstepped legal boundaries. Despite interim rulings putting the administration's attack on halt, incidents highlighting the dangers of ghost guns, such as a mass shooting in Philadelphia involving these weapons, propelled public and political urgency around the issue. Arguments in court spotlight the contrasting perspectives on the regulations. Proponents, including the Biden administration, tout the policy as necessary to stem the rising tide of untraceable firearms implicated in crimes, with police departments noting a surge in ghost guns at crime scenes. On the flip side, critics, including firearm advocacy groups, label the regulation as unconstitutional and abusive, arguing it infringes on rights and overextends federal reach. As the Supreme Court prepares to hear arguments in the Garland v. Jennifer Vanderstock case, the legal and societal implications of their forthcoming decision loom large, with both sides of the debate eyeing definitive rulings on the future of homemade firearms in America. With its decision to review the case, the Supreme Court steps into a contentious arena involving gun control, regulatory authority, and public safety. As ghost guns blur the lines between lawful ownership and illicit circulation, the justices' forthcoming deliberations and ruling are poised to shape the landscape of gun regulation in the U.S., potentially marking a significant moment in the ongoing debate over firearms policy. In the balance, hang questions about the power of federal agencies to regulate emerging threats, the rights of individuals to construct their own firearms, and the broader challenges of curbing gun violence in America.